the holidays are coming up and I have something really special to show you. It's the holiday boxes. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, there's so many goodies in here. So first, for skincare, obviously we have the Advanced Night Repair for your late night holiday parties. And we have Revitalizing Supreme Cream. So cute. And makeup remover, which is a must. And also, let's see, not one, but 2 lipstick shades. Ooh, that's such a pretty red. Envious and Discreet. I think I'm gonna try Discreet. Oh, and of course, my favorite eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette has 16 different colors and 3 limited edition face shades. So let's try the lipstick. And some lip gloss to shine it up. So pretty! Oh my gosh, I love this color. It goes really good with my eyes. By the way, I have Current Desire on my eyes right now. Oh, and mascara, of course. Sumptuous Extreme. So guys, stay tuned for all these goodies and hope you guys enjoy.